Beautiful sunrise, doing yoga with the trees, the birds, the sky, the breeze. It's amazing how when we touch the head directly to the ground and the grass, there's an amazing feeling that surges through our body, through the spine, through the legs, through our hands, and to the internal workings of our body, mind, and soul. This is one of my favorite practices in yoga, the headstand. Even though it's called headstand, we are basically standing on our hands, the forearms, nice and strong, deep breathing with the nature. Cheers and blessings, everyone. Namaste.